How's it hanging? Tonight, we got Stone Delicious Double IPA. 9.4%. Let's fucking do it. Ooh. Oh yeah, my mouth is watering. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Huzzah. Goddamn. Little foamy, that one. Fuck. Let's top her off. Fuck. Look at that color on that. I'm Stony Rock. Cheers. Oh, damn. It's too foamy. Oh, oh shit. Oh, man, it's Saturday night. We're out here throwing back a few. Oh. Damn, dude. All right. It's too foamy. I can't even talk, but, you know, it's all good. Everybody have a good weekend. Cheers.